Periods. We all get them. We dread them. The cramps, the bloating, the constant worry about leaks. It's a monthly ordeal that we just can't escape. We buy countless pads and tampons, spending a small fortune over the years. Each month, it's the same routine. But what if there's a better way? Enter the Diva Cup, a revolutionary product that promises to change everything. Welcome back to Glowenvy, where we talk all things beauty, self-care, and keeping it real. If you love honest reviews and helpful tips, make sure to subscribe because today we're getting into everything you need to know about the Diva Cup. Gap, threes. I'd heard whispers, seen glowing reviews online, and even had friends rave about it. It seemed too good to be true. Could this be the answer to my monthly woes? A solution that could make periods less of a hassle? I was hesitant, nervous even. The idea of using something so different was daunting, but I took a deep breath and ordered my first Diva Cup. It was a leap of faith. The little pink box arrived a few days later. Inside nestled a small, bell-shaped cup. It looked simple, yet promising. It was made of soft, medical-grade silicone. It felt surprisingly flexible. My apprehension grew as I wondered how it would feel. How could this thing possibly work? It seemed so different from what I was used to. I pushed aside my doubts, ready to embrace the unknown. It was time to take the plunge and see if the Diva Cup could truly make a difference. Instructions. They seemed simple enough to follow. Fold, insert, let it pop open. Easy, right? Not so much. My first few attempts felt clumsy. I couldn't get the fold right. The cup refused to cooperate. Frustration mounted. I questioned my life choices. Eventually, I found a fold that worked for me. I took a deep breath and tried again. This time, it slid in smoothly. I felt a slight pressure, but no discomfort. Success. Or so I thought. Getting the cup to pop open was another hurdle. I twisted. I turned. I poked. Finally, it sprang open, creating a perfect seal. The first few cycles were a learning experience, to say the least. It was a journey filled with trial and error, and a lot of patience. There were leaks, mostly from not getting a proper seal. Removal was also tricky. I had to figure out the right angle and technique. Panic set in. The first time I tried, I was worried I wouldn't be able to get it out. I envisioned the cup lost forever, stuck inside me. It was a terrifying thought, but I breathed, relaxed, and found the stem. It was a relief to know it was within reach. With a gentle tug, it came out. The sense of accomplishment was immense, but with each cycle, things got easier. I learned my body. I became more confident. I mastered insertion and removal. It became second nature. I discovered the freedom of going leak-free for hours. No more bulky pads. It was liberating. No more worrying about running out of tampons. I felt more in control. The Diva Cup was a game changer. It transformed my period experience completely. The Diva Cup isn't without its drawbacks. For many, the initial experience can be daunting. It can be messy at times. Spills and leaks are common during the learning phase. Emptying it in public restrooms can be a challenge. Privacy and hygiene can be concerns. But the positives outweigh the negatives. Once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. The environmental impact alone is huge. Reducing waste is a significant benefit. No more disposable products ending up in landfills. It's a step towards a greener planet. Plus, the cost savings are significant. Over time, it pays for itself. One cup can last for years. It's a long-term investment in your health and the environment. Overall, the Diva Cup has been a revelation. It's changed the way many women experience their periods. It's given me a new level of comfort and confidence during my period. I feel more in control. It's taught me about my body and empowered me to make sustainable choices. Knowledge is power. The learning curve might be steep, but the rewards are worth it. Perseverance pays off. The Diva Cup, it's a keeper. Once you try it, you won't look back. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Glowenvy deep dive. See you in the next one.